Are you in your final year of engineering and confused about where to start your project work? You are not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a solid project topic, plan it out and actually start working on it step by step. Let us dive in. What is up guys, kickstart here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to select a solid project topic as a final year engineering student. First thing first, you have to understand your department requirements. You have to first know the requirements of your department, whether it is a group project or a solo project. This helps you know when to speed up stuff and know what to do next. And also you have to know whether you are expected to design, fabricate or just simulate a particular model. For example, in my case, I knew my department wanted something functional, something workable. So I had to first do away with all the theoretical topics or ideas I had for my final year project. The second step I want to talk about is the biggest mistake most of the final year engineering students do. That is choosing a flashy topic for your project. Remember that you are doing a project and you are trying to solve a problem. Choosing flashy topics may not be necessarily important compared to that of finding a better problem to suit your title or your topic. So choosing a flashy topic is not an option, but choosing a good problem solving title is a better option. For example, I knew that in my workshop we find it very tiring to use the hacksaw to cut metal. That's where the project idea of doing a motorized hacksaw machine came inside, right? So looking at this one, I choose a particular problem to suit a particular topic, that is fabricating of a motorized hacksaw machine. So going in for a problem first, then suiting it with a particular title or topic is the best way to go as a final year engineering student. Remember that if you can solve a problem, you will build a meaningful project and the report writing becomes very easy. Now, the third step I want to talk about is that you have to do a feasibility check. When I say feasibility check, you have to ask yourself that, can I build the kind of project I have chosen? Do I have the tools to build the kind of project I have chosen? Can I use the software I already know like AutoCAD, Autodesk Inventor, SolidWorks to simulate or to model the project work I have chosen? If not, you have to at least tweak your project topic a little bit to suit what you can do best. Don't aim to build a rocket launcher when you cannot actually build a fruit juice extractor. That was funny, right? The fourth step I want to discuss with you is that you have to do a background research. Alright, so you have to do a background research on whatever topic or project title you've chosen for your work. So you have to go online. You can use search engines like YouTube, Google Scholar to search for things like, let's say I want to build a motorized hacksaw machine. So I'll search stuff like a motorized hacksaw machine PDF so that you read a little more about the topics or the machine you want to build, because nothing is new under the sun. A lot of projects has already been done by people. What you have to do is that you have to add ups or make a small additions or subtractions to already existing project. This will help you keep up with what you want to do and help you speed up the work or the project you are doing. The fifth step I want to highlight is that you have to write a simple proposal. Right, so a simple proposal includes a title, background or problem statement, objectives, tools or software to be used, and propose the methods you use in the fabrication, whether you want to analyze, whether you want to simulate, the kind of method you want to use. And I'll leave a free editable proposal template in the description for you to follow to write a simple proposal for your final year. The sixth step is one of the most important steps to take when you want to actually do your final year project with ease. Alright, so make sure you do all your drawings before you start your project work or you start with your fabrication. Alright, this is where a lot of mechanical engineering students find problems with. A lot of students start with the fabrication before they actually do the drawings of their project, which leads them into errors, mistakes and all sorts of things, money wastage and other stuff. But when you first do your sketches, first do your 2D designs and later do your 3D models, it will save you tons of time and tons of money, right? because you actually know what you are doing. Doing your design first actually gives you the overview of the kind of machine you are building, so you know the step to take. You know what maybe today you will do at a workshop. You know whether you have to buy this metal, whether you have to buy this material or not. So this will save you a lot of time. But people don't listen and they go wayward doing the fabrication phase before they come in for their designs. It is very wrong. As a mechanical engineering student in your final year, make sure that you do your drawings first before we start with the fabrication. So this is the final tip I want to personally give you as a final year engineering student looking forward to do your project work. Make sure that you do everything step by step and keep track of everything that you do. You have to set time frames for yourself. Let's say week 1 you want to do this, week 2 you want to do this, before the semester is over or before the time for your submission of your project work is over. And also, don't wait for the work to become tedious before you start seeing your supervisors. Since others haven't started their project work yet, you can actually start writing all these proposals and other stuff. See your project supervisor to give you insight of whatever they want to do. Some of your project supervisors actually wants to use your project to write papers for themselves. So a lot of project supervisors are interested in reasonable or good project work. So if you have a good project work, your lecturer or your supervisor can actually support you financially to build whatever project you want to do, with the aim of they using it to write their paper. So this is a free bonus tip I have for you guys. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit on the like button, make sure you hit on the subscription button, and I'll be dropping project ideas for mechanical engineers in my next video. So if you don't want to hit that, make sure you hit on the push notification so that you don't miss any video I upload to this channel. Catch you guys on another one.